Hi everybody, so glad that we could get in touch and we could give you an information about our upcoming project by Rizland. It is called Sky Mansion in Chhatarpur, giving you your South Delhi residential address. If we start with the flat that we're giving you, the amenities provided in the house basically starts from the main door itself. If you can see, it's a wooden door that we're giving you with a smart lock. This can be opened through 4 ways. There is a keypad, you can put in a password and set it for yourself. There is a thumb impression that you have and your thumb impression will be imprinted on it. Otherwise, you can always put an access card. Also, there is, we forget everything, you know, maybe the password is forgotten, maybe the access card, you left it in the car or at home, maybe, you know, due to sweat or due to weather change, the thumb impression is not accepting. So there is always a mechanical lock which is given here. You can lock and unlock the door from the key as well. So it is a 4-tier similar and security system that you get in the smart lock just to enter and exit from your home. If we do that, now that we've unlocked our door, we're ready to enter the luxury apartment that we're offering you at Sky Mansion. Moving forward, if I talk about that we are giving you in Sky Mansion is actually a fully automated home that what we're giving you, stating 8 features. The first feature was that we started with the smart lock. Then what we're giving you is the smart light control. These are the panels made available to use your home lighting system and curtain system. With this home button, you can basically control the lights and the curtains, undraw and draw them, and switch on and switch off the lights of the entire house. With the guest button, you only make the guest area accessible. With the away button is basically when you leave home for work and you reach office, you know, the necessary things that need to be on remain on, rest everything remains off. All off is like your main switch that everything goes off. Moving forward, the next panel is basically the light control panel. You can control your lighting from here. We are giving you smart lights and down lights already fitted in your house, and we're also giving you an LED night light, which is this panel. These panels, as you see, are your air conditioning control temperature panel. There is a centrally air conditioned home that we're offering you, and you can maintain the temperature of the home through this. No matter what the external temperature is, your internal temperature will always be maintained by the sorts of what you want. Moving forward, I would like to show you the kitchen that we are offering you. We have a kitchen with an island right here. The amenities given in the kitchen are a steel built-in oven that you get. These are the kitchen delivery standard slabs that we'll be getting for your fittings. You also get a chimney, built-in chimney. The gas detector will be also there, apart from smoke detectors and sprinklers in the house. Then there is a high-end built-in gas stove right here with the gases, as you can see. Also, we have what we're giving you is a premium modular kitchen that is being offered to you with all the fittings already done. And an add-on, if you would see, we are also giving you a built-in dishwasher by Bosch. We're also giving you a built-in dishwasher by Bosch right here. This is the basin that you get, basically a dual basin that you get. The amenities right here is given that there will be an instant heater, a water purifier, an instant heater, and we're also giving you a garbage processor for basically solid and semi-solid waste that goes into the sink to avoid any kind of blockage. So there will be no blockage in your sink no matter what. The garbage processor will grind it and have it in the garbage processor. This water right here will have your RO water, which is absolutely healthy to drink also and healthy for cooking. The tap that we're giving for washing and other purposes is a hand movable tap that moves according to your needs. On the island, you will also get the induction right here. This is basically our delivery standard. We're giving you a luxury home with all the immovables. All you have to do is just pack your movables and move in. Moving forward, if we see for security purpose, this is a video intercom device that is installed in your living room, and there is a similar device that is installed in all the common lift areas like parking that we have, and common area which is the club amenity area on the second floor. If anybody who wishes to come to your house will have to dial the flat number, you get a video call on this device, you pick up, and through the microphone right here you talk through and through. You can decide if the person needs to come up, or else we are also giving you a fine dine restaurant in our premises. The person can wait. If it is a normal delivery boy or a courier boy, you can just tell the person through this to leave the delivery or the parcel with the security guard and he can leave. If not, you can just press the second button. That will be the unlock button. The glass doors will open and the person will be ready to enter the lift to come to your apartment, be it any floor. There is a very high level of security, which is 5-level security system that we are following from main gate till our house to give any access to you, because your security is our priority. Moving forward, if we see, we also have a powder room, basically for your incoming and outgoing guests. And as you can see, the flooring in the house, it is a natural Italian marble flooring that we are giving you. Like we move forward, we now enter the guest bedroom. Moving forward, we will now enter our guest room. We are giving you a premium modular wardrobe in the guest room, which is right here. Ours is a north and a south facing construction, so you get a north and a south opening both. We only have 2 units per floor. That makes us give you the privilege to have a north opening and a south opening, because then that helps us in one, keeping the sunlight through and through in your house. The wind ventilation is through and through in your house. Connecting to our other 3 bedrooms of the house. So this is basically the 4-bedroom unit that you're seeing right here at the video. Both of these bedrooms are basically alike. That solves the problem, especially for the siblings, that this room is not my type, I want that room. How can the elder person take that room? We've solved that problem also for you, especially for the siblings to fight, because I've grown up like that. My brother taking the advantages that he has and me getting the left out option. So these 2 rooms are exactly alike. Let's enter one room and see what are the things that given here. As you can see, there is another balcony. So wherever we are getting an option, we're giving you an opening on north side and the south side. These are the light control switches for the room. You can control your lightings. You can control the temperature of the room from this panel. The lighting panel is also given to you on your bedside, so that you don't have to get up every time to switch on and switch off the lights. If we move in here, apart from the guest bedroom, all our rooms are equipped with the walk-in closet. Right here will be our walk-in closet. If we move in and see what we have, this is again our premium
modular wardrobe, giving you the amenities. And this is also a pull-in. You hang your clothes and you pull this in, you get your clothes and you pull it back. I understand the height, but you don't have to reach to the height. You can just pull it out, be very comfortable in what you want and put this back in. It also has the lights in it and the drawers. This will be the second wardrobe that we have. Moving ahead, when we say this is the washroom that we're giving with the bedroom, and as you can see, there is a balcony with the washroom as well. If I open the balcony for you, you will see that just to maintain the privacy, just to give the balcony with the bathroom, we've not eradicated your privacy. We've covered this area so that nobody from outside can have a look inside. The second room that we are now going to go to is exactly the same, just it's on the northern side of the house. And everything is being provided, the false ceiling is being done. So in the layman's language, if we say it's a semi-furnished home that we're giving you. Moving to another room, this is the panel right here that we have that was there in the room, in that room as well. This room is also equipped with the walk-in closet. So the walk-in closet is right here with the same amenities. If I open them for you, right here. And on the northern side of the room of the bathroom also you have the balcony, which is similar, and it has the same facade to cover your privacy. So you not only get a balcony with the living room, kitchen and bedroom, you also get a balcony with the washroom. As you step out of the balcony from the room, you can see it's a through and through balcony. It connects to you to the living room also of the house. However, the balconies cannot be opened from outside because it's a through and through. We don't want anybody entering the room as well. So it only gets opened from the inside, not from the outside. So privacy, security and service, everything is basically maintained, given to you at a very high quality luxury level. We also in the house will be giving you concierge service. That's basically that you check into a room and everything is available either on the call or the in-house application that we have. And you can just ask for anything and everything from housekeeping to electrician to a plumber to a gardener to a party planner to anything that every house needs in a daily life. Everything will be made available to you at no extra cost, just the maintenance costs. Going back inside of the room, now we will move to the master bedroom. Now we're entering a master bedroom. As you can see, there is a light control right here and an AC control when you enter the master bedroom. And the light can be controlled from this panel. The temperature can be maintained. The master bedroom is also equipped with another northern facing balcony. The downlights and the spotlights are being given to you. Now we move to the walk-in closet of the master bedroom. On both sides of the walk-in closet you have wardrobes here, which are solid wood, and again a premium wardrobe with the shelves. As you can see, all the blingy things can be saved here with an entire space given to you with a proper segregation of sections. And the drawers here, maybe for the women, a dressing table, the men's ties and the cufflinks can come in. however you would like to organize that. There is enough space, drawers, and here is our closet. So this space is also used for your wardrobe. If I open this right here, the drawers are given to you. So there is an endless storage space that we are offering you with the feel of luxury of a walk-in closet. Moving to the smart washroom that we have, we are in the master bedroom's washroom giving you a smart WC well fitted, and the working has been done. However, the other washrooms, we've done the working for Smart WC. If you want, you can just get the unit fixed. Otherwise, you can also get a normal WC fitted because not everybody in India is yet comfortable with the Smart WC. We are also in the master bedroom giving you the bathtub right there. And a certain face balcony again with the covered facade. This was the sample flat that we just showed. We have prepared with the furniture and other things that a house needs.